Hello and welcome to the Ninja Nation. My name is Larry Kendall. I'm the author of Ninja Selling, and this is your weekly Ninja Action Tip. These tips are designed to help you stay on the ninja path and to increase your income per hour so that you can have a life. We have a term in Ninja called the modern open house. You know, open houses have changed dramatically over time, and one of the things that's really changed them is the internet. It's estimated that 90% of buyers at some point in the buying process go on the internet to look at houses. And here's the buying pattern. If they find a house online that they really like, 74% of them jump in a car and drive by. They want to check out the exterior of the home, they want to check out the neighborhood, they really want to check out the area. And if they like what they see on the outside and they like the neighborhood, then they want to get in on the inside. And their preferred way of getting in the home is an open house. They would rather come to an open house than call a realtor and make an appointment because there's less commitment involved in doing it that way. So here's what we would recommend. Here's what your action tip for the week. If you're holding an open house this weekend, have a sign in front of that house all week long announcing the times for the open house. So it might say open Saturday, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, whatever the time is. Because people prowling that neighborhood have checked it out online, now they're curious, and now they want to get inside. You'll have a dramatically increased percentage of people or number of people coming through your open house if you have that sign out in front ahead of time. People coming through open houses today are not just what we call looky-loos, they're self-pre-qualified buyers. And because of that, you could also decrease the number of hours that you have that home open. I learned this in Australia when I lived there. Their open houses typically are an hour, sometimes even just a half hour. So you don't have to have an open house for 3 or 4 hours. In fact, what you could do is double up. You could have an open house, let's say from 1 to 3 at one house and from 3 to 5 at another house. Give yourself a little time for transportation in between. That's your action tip for the week. Your assignment is this. If you're holding an open house, make sure you have a sign in the front yard the week before announcing the times. And consider that you don't have to have as much time for an open house. It'll make you more efficient with your time and increase your income per hour. Thanks for joining us.